Hey guys, it's Flynn here. We're back with another video, and it's been great. For the past few years, I did not expect us to reach almost 300 subs. So, if anyone could sub, please do so. It's free and doesn't require much. And thank you all to my supporters. And yeah, let's get to the video. Okay. First off, we're gonna just troll some people, and then we'll just build some boats. Yeah. Let's get to our first target. Let's build a boat right here. Alright, let's go. Victim number one, here we come. Uh-oh. Okay, player. Let's bring him to the end. Let's bring him to the end. I guess we'll just try to reach to the end. Let's build. Oh, let's go. Okay, now I'll just put this down. Okay, we get a driver's seat. Okay, we should be good. Let's just raise this thing. I think we're good. Alright, let's start.
Mia, are you done? What are you doing?
Oh, yeah. I'm a pro driver, guys. You can trust me. Don't worry about that bump. Computer's lagging, even though it just can. But oh my god. Hell no. Uh-oh. Hate. Oh. Oh, hell no. Too much pain. Little Timmy. Little Timmy didn't pack up. Oh my gosh. Oh, light snack. Full course, light snack for queso. Light snack. Milk, no. What is this? Oh. Oh. My motor. Hell no. You gotta go to the gym. You still gotta go to the gym. You're bigger than me. Oh my god, you all need to go to the gym. Well, why is that animation one so goofy? Uh-oh. Please at me. Uh-oh, we're cooked. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh, hell no. God, please save me. Ah, ah, ah. I failed. But 2. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm going fast. I have this camera in the front so I can. Oh, good. Ow, ow. Please don't touch me. Wow. Glash? Okay. Kids, if you never touch grass, do so. It's life-changing. Totally. Oh, technology. Still fast. Bowling? I hate bowling. Uh-oh. Ah! I'm sorry. I regret my decision of saying that. Oh, ow. Ah! Yeah, I hate bowling now because of this. Whee. Oof. Come on. Oh, hell no, it's not this. Come on. Yes. What? I thought, physics are not physicsing. Gravity's not gravitating. What? What in the world? It's separate. How is that still going? Oh yeah, water. I need water. Woo! At least I landed. No, please no, I didn't pay $7.9. Okay, we're here. Destroy. Let's go. Hit. Uh-oh. Please, no. We're almost there. Please, no more. Please. No. Oh my gosh, I'm floating. I don't obey the laws of physics. Yes. Wait, am I waterfall? Ah! Okay, big wood. This time I'm gonna use wood plus stone. Let's see how it goes. big boat. Okay, now just the roof. It's a little bit dark. That's why I'm adding some torches. Or... oh, that's too bright. No. Treasure. Okay, I don't know why, but I added wheels as well. So let's start. But this really works. We're going super fast with the legacy. We're still zooming through these obstacles. Oh wait, we're going fast. Wait, we're so fast. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, it's getting harder to control. Wait, what? Oh, the legacy wheels. Oh, hell no. Go, go, go. using IQ. Oh, I'm floating. Danger, danger, stranger danger. Wow, it's floating. Very safe, to be honest. Help me! Wait, where did my arm go? No. It's a floating reef. Ah! Ah! I'm squished. Help me. Ah. Oh, I'm cooked. Ah. What? What? Why am I not taking any damage? Ah. Oh, oh, oh. This is very scary. Where's the other piece of cardboard? Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no, oh my gosh. I was gonna die. Now 1 HP, I need life support at this point. Oh, this, hell no. I gotta, oh hell no, how am I gonna get through? It has to be a toothpick to use it. Use the strap. Oh hell no. Oh no, no. Oh, ah! Alright, that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.